All right.
So our group so the name of our project is called the Power Plant. The picture you guys saw first. This is the real deal power plant. So first of all, our project started with shape memory alloy. It's made of premium. What's special about this wire is that shape was originally forged at. So what happened was we took a blowtorch, to heat it and shape it, and then so whenever you want to curve, it would match shape.
Some requirements that we have was that we use the Nexus board as a memory alloy controller. It controls the full script installation control. We were going to use the function generator, but then we just decided just GPIOs and create a square wave. Just straight out. And then we bring this wave through the wires in sequence, like different programs, whatever you want to do.
So to just be to the different outputs of the Nexus board, we would just have different configurations, quote unquote leaf, I guess. You want to call them that.
This is our
yes, pretty much. I mean, it's real simple, straightforward with programming wise. We have one function and it just runs over and over again, and then order. So it's 1, and then it'll go to 2, 3, and 4, and then going backwards to 2, 1, 3, and 4, jumping around. And this is our hardware configuration. So coming out of the Nexus board, we're sending 4 different square waves running at about 15 kilohertz each. And so what happens is 3.3 volts is out of the board, and then they run 740. We'll bump it up to 5.5 to each of these. And each of those 5.5 will be each individual NMOS. And then from there, NMOS turn on about 1.5 and run the memory alloy and raise just like so.
It makes it. And we use the Nexus board just to control the accumulation and recycle, and then how long it stays on. Yeah. This is our design overview. We use the Nexus 2 board, the LM741 op amps in a non-inverting configuration. 4 amps for high amps. It took a while to get that going too, because we had some problems with heat sink and having the drains and the sources connected. And then all wires. In the software, we use the microblade and the GPIO as our IPs. Some features that we have that are not found in like your ordinary house plants. First, you can have program sequence, so you can do whatever you want. Like first, we had it 1, 3, 4, and thing was okay. Well, we changed it. We decided to go like 3, 4, 4, 1, 3, and across. Or you can move it around, and you can even shape the wire to whatever shape you want. So if you're tired of the ordinary bow leaf, you can make the leaf whatever size and shape you want, right?
Yeah, you make 3-leaf clover, whatever you want. Just get a blowtorch.
We've tried doing that with the blowtorch too. We got like a weird shaped leaf that was in the size of a pea. And we decided it didn't look more natural, so we decided to go with these shapes.
Exactly.
The extra benefit is that it never needs water. So don't add water because it's electric. If you look inside the plant right here, this is our small breadboard, and the Nexus board controls all the FETs and the amps, and then it goes through the wire, and then it goes into the small breadboard actually inside the plant. So there's no motors or no moving parts aside from the wire. It's just everything's just plugged into the breadboard.
So this can be, your soil, if you will, and this would be your water.
It's also customizable too. See, we use different leaves. You can, if you're feeling like a little funky, you can have the fat leaves, or if you want to be light, you can use the thin leaf. So that's plug and play leaves right there. It's another feature, and you can also control the rise and the fall speed of each leaf. If you're, if you want a nice ambient mood, future improvements is that right now we have amps which are actually current. So we want to take that down to less current. We have an in-home box that you can plug and play.
I think you touched on those already. Leaves you up and down.
Yeah, we want to open and close pattern, or even push button where we would push the buttons on the neck and fall. And we also wanted to do Billy Bass sound. So when you start the singing bush from the 3 Amigos, that's
Tied in with theme parks, Disneyland. I mean, Nick right here is going to work for Disney this summer. You know, he might get into all this, doing animatronics, you know, for Pirates of the Caribbean or something like that.
and also indoor relaxation. You just want to chill, just want to relax. I actually just like leaving it on because sometimes when I'm doing my homework, it moves, but it doesn't make noise. It's the perfect pet. You don't have to feed it. It provides entertainment.
Yeah, but so yeah, we left our demo ongoing. Does anyone have any questions? Yeah, I mean the wires do warm up a little bit, but it's not too bad. You feel right now it's actually pretty warm. So
Yeah, the main problem was the FETs and having them overheat. If you're welcome to come up here and touch them, and we had to put heat sinks on them so that they don't get too hot and short out.
Yeah, because at first, instead of having our 4 individual heat sinks, we had one big fat one, and that got real warm real fast when we had 4 of our MOSFETs on there, and then so yeah, that ended up causing us a lot of problems because it wouldn't work individual leads at a time. Like all of them would jump up and get real warm, so we'd have to turn everything off.
It doesn't fall based upon how much current you push. Like, they go fast, and then if I reduce the current here, I'm going to reduce the current to like 1 amp, and the next one might not even get up. It's just going to be very, very slow. If anything happens. So that's another feature right there. You know, like I said, come on, let's go. Woo! So he's barely going. He's going. There he goes, and I can crank him up, and the next guy's just going to shoot right back up. Ooh. So that's another feature right there.
Exactly.
And it is not energy efficient. That's one thing that we are working on. So we're coordinating with the Power Engineering Society. It's green. Make it efficient, but it is green.
It's green. For the time being, it is green.
It doesn't have a name yet, aside from power plant. So
Exactly.
you're welcome to speak to it and listen. The 9-0 wire.
Available online. Just look it up online. You know, they just goofing around on the internet and found some videos about people playing with it, and you know, we give it a shot and try it out. Just ordered some online.
So now you're in business.
Now we're in business. Yeah.
Now we're in business.
Starts pumping out these bad boys.
We're going to hire the ShamWow guy. He's going to come and sell this for us. So I hope you guys enjoyed Power Plant. It's patented, so I don't want to see you out there selling it.
Number 1, baby.